Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. I was not aware that you could get American Wagyu beef at Walmart. I know I'm a little behind the times, it's been out for a few years now. So I went ahead and I picked up an American Wagyu ribeye. The marbling and intermuscular fat, like in all Wagyu, looks amazing. This keeps the meat moist and it gives a lot of flavor. That's why it's so sought after. Today I'm going to be comparing it to a regular choice ribeye steak. Choice is usually the standard when you go to a restaurant or pick it up at the grocery store. Usually choice is what you get. There's a decent amount of intermuscular fat, and if cooked right, you usually get an enjoyable experience. With these two, I'm going to hard sear each side, maybe 2 minutes each side, and then put them on indirect heat and let them raise to about 120 internal temp. Take them off, and where they rest for about 10 minutes, they're going to continue to move up in temperature to about 130. And I know you might be thinking it's not worth it's about $10 extra a pound for Wagyu versus choice. To me, if you went to a restaurant and you bought some American Wagyu beef, that entree might be $150. So under 30 bucks, you can enjoy this kind of steak. If it's good, I'm gonna let you know. Let's get into it. So we've got our choice ribeye and we've got our American Wagyu ribeye. You could see the difference in the intermuscular fat. Pretty decent on the choice, but look at that on the Wagyu. That looks incredible, especially up here in the cap or spinalis dorsi if you want to be technical. So we're just going to hit it with salt, pepper, and garlic, like always. Got this fire pit designed just for cooking on. I haven't actually used it yet with a raw steak, so this will be a fun experience. Got the Wagyu and the choice. So this will be fun. Never cooked on that. Didn't thermometer them. Just gonna see. Trust in the force. How'd that turn out? Start with the choice. Right through the middle. Check the Wagyu. Try the choice. I mean, what beats a good seared, well-seasoned ribeye? Outstanding. Except maybe a better, well-seared, well-seasoned ribeye. Wow. If you guys like this video, you need to go get you some of that first of all. Give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching.